This YouTube channel is making a huge amount of money just by creating simple kids learning videos. They use 2D animations. Some of their videos have received over tens of millions of views. On Social Blade, you can see that they have almost 2 million subscribers and earn between $10,000 and $200,000, which is a lot. You can create similar videos using AI in a few minutes. In this video, I will show you exactly how, so make sure you watch it till the end. Let's dive in. First, we'll need a script for our video. We will use our good friend ChatGPT. For the prompt, let's write a child learning video script about various birds. It will generate a YouTube video script you can use for the video. Now copy only the part of the text that will need a voiceover and open a new tab. Go to the website 11 Labs and create a free account. Paste the text in the text-to-speech tool and choose a voice style. You can use different voices for the different characters in your video. Insert the text of each character separately and export them. Now let's create our animation. We will use Adobe Express for this. It's completely free to use and creates animations based on the speech using AI. Go to Quick Actions and choose a character for your video. Then choose a background. Lots of options here. You can choose different characters and backgrounds for separate scenes. Next, add your audio file and export the animation. AI will animate the character based on the audio. Download the animation and do it again for the other characters in your script. You can also use an animated background instead, and I will show you how in the next step. Just make sure that you use a plain color as background when exporting the animation. Next, go to Canva and create an account. After creating an account, click on Video and select YouTube Video. Click on Elements and search for Forest Background. Select a suitable background image and adjust it to the video size. To adjust the video size, refer to the animated video's duration in your upload folder. Now, go back to the Elements section and add some animated trees to make the video more visually appealing. Search for trees, select them, and position them in the background image according to your preferences. You can go into detail here, but I'm going to keep it simple for now. Additionally, add some birds to the video's background, since we are making a video about birds. Now let's search for a peacock in the Elements section. Select a suitable image and adjust its size. Here comes the amazing feature of Canva. Click on Animate, then select Create an Animation. Drag the peacock to the desired position, and you will see the peacock moving around in the background. Once everything looks beautiful, export the animation. Do this for the separate scenes. In the last step, we will edit the videos and give the final touch to our video using Wondershare Filmora as our video editing software. You can use any video editing software of your choice. Import all the animated videos and background videos into the software. Insert the background video and the character animated video. Make sure to enable the chroma key function in your editing software. Adjust the animated character's position according to the background. Adjust the length of the background layer to match the duration of the animated layer. Repeat this process for the remaining animated videos. Once the editing process is complete, click on the Export button to export the final product. After creating the video, upload it to your YouTube channel and generate passive revenue. I always recommend spending time on editing and selecting your topics, as this will give you better results. I would love to hear about your experience creating kids' learning experience. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below.